The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cheyenne County in Colorado, west central Wallace County, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 5 miles north of West 10, or 11 miles west of Sharon Springs, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Source: Weather spotters confirmed multiple tornadoes between Arapahoe and West 10. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Cheyenne County in Colorado and west central Wallace counties in west central Kansas. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Wallace, Kansas, and Cheyenne, Colorado.